Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to change your password in Zoho Books to keep your account secure. Whether you are performing a security audit or simply need to update your credentials, this process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes to complete. Keeping your financial data protected is extremely important, so let's dive right into the steps to get this done. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account using your current credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you will see your user profile icon, which is the circle displaying your initials or your profile photo. Click on that icon and select My Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will open a new tab in your browser specifically for Zoho accounts. Once that page loads, look at the left-hand sidebar of your screen where you will see several options. Click on Security to view your account privacy settings. In the Security menu, you will see a field labeled Password. Simply click on the Change Password button or the Edit icon next to it to begin the update process. Now for the final part of the update. You will be prompted to enter your current password first, which acts as a verification that you are the rightful account holder. Next, carefully enter your new, strong, and secure password into the New Password field. Make sure to choose something unique that you are not using on other websites. After that, type that same new password again in the Confirm New Password field to ensure there are no typos. Once you have filled in all these text fields, click the Update button to save your changes. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. And there you have it. You have now secured your Zoho Books account by changing your login credentials. By regularly updating your passwords, you add an extra layer of protection to your business financials. If you followed these steps and successfully changed your password, let me know in the comments below. Also, remember to hit that like button if you found this walkthrough helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.